So, to install Unity, you go on Google and search Unity. You can select Download Unity on Google to have direct access to the download page. You can also browse unity.com/download directly. Click on the download or select an appropriate version and after it, execute it. This will install Unity Hub. This program is the central manager for your Unity versions, extra models, and your own projects. To use Unity, you will need an account. Log in or create a new account by allowing the browser to communicate with Unity Hub, and once that's done, you can start installing Unity, but don't do it right now. First, you need to agree with the personal license, assuming you are a beginner and you actually fit the license terms. In Unity Hub, you will find a menu to your profile settings, some preferences to the Hub software itself, the Project tab where your games will be, the Install tab where you select the Unity editor and other models, the Learn tab where you find Unity's tutorials, and the Community tab where you find forums and access to other users of Unity. To start, let's focus on the Installs tab and let's add a new Unity editor to the computer. Select the most recent LTS version and click on Install. Inside the Modules panel, make sure you have Microsoft Visual Studio and the documentation. Click on Continue and agree with terms and conditions to install. When the installation starts, the Download panel will open to show you the progress of the installation of Unity and its modules. You can close it and re-access it from down here. On a side note, you should stay with the same version during the entire project. It is possible to update and revert versions, but I advise you to make a backup of the project folder before updating, just to keep everything safe. Anyway, to this lesson's purpose, updating will not affect anything once we are not going to do anything fancy. Once the editor is ready, Visual Studio will start to be installed. Visual Studio also has this manager, but you can just click on Install and continue to proceed. Visual Studio is the software you will use to write the code in your project. It's integrated with Unity and its usage is as simple as double-clicking the script file. Visual Studio also needs an account. If you are a PC user, your Windows login information is your Microsoft account already. You can use those credentials to log in. If you need a new account, you need to create one. Once the login is done, you can just close these windows. Unity and Visual Studio are ready to go and you can start to make your own games. But to make sure everything is set up correctly, just restart your computer. After that, you open Unity Hub, select the Project tab and start or open your projects from here.